Fall wouldn't be complete without a pumpkin cream cold brew. This is a riff off of the Starbucks version, but in my opinion, it's even better than that one. First, we're making a homemade pumpkin syrup, and then we're blending that to make a cold foam that's gonna go on top of our cold brew coffee. It's so delicious, and I know this is gonna be your go-to coffee drink all fall season. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around. I've got lots more coffee videos on my channel that I know you're gonna enjoy. To get started on this drink, we first need to make a pumpkin syrup. To a saucepan, add 1/3 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar, 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, and then for flavor, we need 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/4 cup of canned pumpkin puree. Finally, we're finishing things off with 1/4 cup of water, and then give everything a nice whisk to combine. Cook this mixture over medium heat until it reaches a boil, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Once everything is boiling, cook for an additional 60 seconds, stirring frequently to make sure that it doesn't boil over. And this is just going to allow it to thicken up. Once the syrup is all combined and has a good consistency, allow it to cool in the saucepan. Then transfer it to a reusable jar and allow it to fully cool in the refrigerator. Don't rush this because if the mixture is hot, the foam won't turn out right, so you can even let it cool overnight. Once you know the pumpkin syrup is for sure cooled, now it's time to start on our cold foam. You'll need 2 ounces of heavy cream, along with 1 ounce of 2% milk. Place these in a high-powered blender along with 1 ounce of the pumpkin syrup. Blend everything up for about 45 seconds until a thick foam has formed. Don't cut this time short. It really takes a decent amount of time to get the thick foam that we all know and love. I love the orange tint that this cold foam has. It makes it even more enticing to drink, especially when it's fall. To serve up everything, grab a serving glass, add some ice to it, and then pour 8 ounces of your favorite cold brew in. To sweeten the drink up just a little bit more, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. This is completely optional, and you can tweak it to fit your taste preference if you like more or less sweetener. And then for my favorite part, spoon all of that delicious cold foam on top. You can optionally garnish with some additional pumpkin pie spice and then enjoy this drink. The full recipe along with tips and tricks is linked in the description below.